Hey, what's up guys? It's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to check out something really cool. Yes, it's a laptop. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I just did that. Folding the screen completely. You can use it as a tablet. Like that. Okay, it's really lightweight, no exaggeration. In the channel recently I've been talking about lightweight laptops, but like this has got to be the champion. I mean, not the champion since it's kind of heavy, and the IdeaPad was technically less heavyweight, less heavier, I would say. Alright, let's get into the video. Basically today we are going to check out the hardware. I mean the outside part of all the Chromebook right here. Me, I have the Chromebook from Lenovo, so I just have it in hand. As you can see, it's completely touchscreen and it is pretty big, so that's something that you have to appreciate on. And when you go to keyboards, you have the nice little trackpad right here, touchpad. Well, it's really sensitive and you can touch and it moves fast. It's really good. Alright, and you have the camera right here, which is really amazing. You have all the function keys here. It's a really minimalistic design. You have practically no extra keys. You don't have the number pad on the right side. You do have all the other keys included. So for the hardware side, it's got to be okay on the buttons and everything else. On the side, you have the volume up and down, camera running on autofocus, so gotta play with that. And here you have the power button, a USB port, and you have a USB Type C, which is really surprising. If you've seen my recent video on fast charging, this is what I did recommend on using. So yeah, and this side we have some of the ports, same USB Type C, USB, and headphone jack, and that's gotta be it for the outside. And let's, well, this thing is so sleek and they made it so minimalistic and clear that I really like it. When you start typing, it is really comfortable and you can hold it in one hand, which is really nice. Anyways, all right, okay, we're just seeing my channel. Anyways, um something else that I would say is you have another camera right here. So you have two cameras. So one, for example, you can use it as back camera when you're using it in the tablet mode. You have this, it's like your selfie camera that you can use outside. And you also have, I mean, I just put this wallpaper. It's the local school wallpaper, so I just have that there. Anyways, something other that I want to say about the device is, okay, we got this here. So the speakers are down firing and the material on the bottom of the laptop is really nice. So we have two down firing speakers. I wanted to get that in on screen. And there's no removable battery, which I'm gonna just, alright, we don't have any battery right here, as you can see. And you have another speaker on this side. You have this rubber foam for the seating of the device. You have regular head screws if you want to open it up, and you have the matte finish all over the device. The only problem is it takes fingerprints. It takes a lot of dust, so that's something that should be fixed on the outer layer, but it's all good considering its capabilities and the way it looks. It completely shut down, and it's basically a laptop slash tablet. and you can use it really for all the purposes, mostly of games. I mean, video and portable. So that's gotta be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.